Welcome back, guys. So today I'm doing a video based on a special request, and we're going to take a hand and we're going to create a sticker mock-up. So I've got this hand on my workspace and you can see that my background is gray. We're going to start off by taking the hand or the image of the hand and we're going to remove the background. Okay, so here is my hand. I'm going to remove that background so we only see the hand. And I'm going to take the hand and I'm going to make a duplicate, okay? So basically what we want to happen is we want to take a sticker and we want to place the sticker in between the thumb and the index finger. But if I go over to and grab a sticker, I can't really do that because if I try and put this sticker behind my image, so if I go to layers and I try and put it behind, it's still not going to be between the thumb and the index finger. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the hand that's the duplicate and sitting on top of the original hand. We're going to go back into background remover and we're going to remove everything except for the thumb. So we're going to just zoom in a little bit here. And we're just going to cut away the part of the thumb that or the hand that we don't need. Okay, this does take, a little bit of patience, but it's well worth it if you want to create your own mock-ups. Now, depending on how large your stickers are, you may need to cut away more or less of this design, but I'm going to leave this like this. Maybe I'm even just going to remove the rest of this because I don't think I need the rest of this, quite honestly. So I'm just going to remove that. But you decide on your own. So I'll just say done. And now I have my thumb on top. And I'm now just going to try and align it right on top of where it would have been originally. So here it is right here. And here is my sticker. I'm going to grab both of these and I'm just going to rotate them slightly and just bring that right down there in the center. I'm going to add a background. I'm going to set this image as my background, and there's just one more thing that you might want to do. This doesn't exactly look like a sticker. A sticker has like an outline around it. So we're going to grab that sticker, and you might have to go to position and layers and grab the sticker. Position and layers is really, really important to know. This is where all your layers are and where you can navigate your layers. And select elements that you don't normally have access to. So with that sticker selected, I'm going to go to Edit, and I'm going to go to Shadows, and I'm going to select the Outline option. And I'm going to go to Color. I'm going to make the color of that outline white, and now I'm just going to increase the size of that outline to a thickness that I like. And then you can also determine the intensity, but if this is a sticker, you're going to want it at 100%. We're going to grab that sticker and we can just move it up and we can rotate it any way we like, and it'll still be between the thumb and the index finger. So again, if you go to position and layers, you're going to want to make sure that that sticker is in between that thumb cutout, which is right here, and the original hand. All right, if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments. If you learned anything in this video, press the like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. And if you want to hear more about my live classes, ask me in the comments and I'll give you more information. If there's anything else that you want to learn, I have a tutorial request form. Just fill it out and I'll put your request on my list of tutorials to create. All right, guys, for now, I will say bye-bye until next time.